Greetings, greetings, greetings. Hey, make sure say you not cuss out Jesus, you know. All the thief them where did the ink pan cross side of him, did I cuss him out too? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of the people them where you know. And if you not do it yet, now the best time for click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure say you no miss none of what I go on. I tell so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 27 from verse 32 to verse 44. When them are going with Jesus, them find one man from Cyrene, we named Simon. Them force him to carry Jesus' cross. Then catch a one place we name Golgotha, we mean the skull place. And the soldier them give him wine mix up with sitting bitter for drink. But when Jesus tastes little in there, want drink it. When them don't nail him on the cross, them throw dice for share up in clothes. Then they sit down right there so and guard him. Over his head, them put up one sign where shows say, what him do, make them kill him. It say, this a Jesus, the Jew them king. When them did a nail him on the cross, then did nail up two thieves too. One did upon him right hand side and one upon him left hand side. The people them where did a pass say all kind of terrible sitting about him. Them shake them head. Hear them now? You we can mash up God house and build it back in a 3 days. Save yourself now. If you're God boy pitney, come down off a cross. I know them one. All the head priests plus the law teacher and elder them did a laugh off of Jesus. Hear them now? He save other people, but he can't save himself. Him are the king for Israel. What kind of king him be? Him a Israel king. Make him come down off a cross. No. And we believe what him say. Him say him trust in a God. Then make God save him. If a God want do. Cause he no say me a God pick me. All the thief them where did nail upon the cross with him, did cuss him out too. A God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.